Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if something went wrong, try to reopen settings later when attempting to run a Windows update. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Services. Best result should go back with Services listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Now you want to locate the Update Orchestrator service and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic if it's not already, or automatic delayed start, whichever one, that's fine, one or the other. And make sure service status is running. If it's not, you want to go ahead and select the start button, and you would go ahead and restart your computer, and again, hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. Something else here you can try, close out of here. Another thing you can try here would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right side. Underneath Get Up and Running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so you can see it actually did fix something here. Let's just restart your computer again and see if that resolves the problem. One further thing you can try, if all else fails, is open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.